Do you want to maintain your health and wellness goals but struggle to create a supportive environment? If this question resonates with you, you're not alone. The importance of a supportive environment in maintaining health and wellness is often underestimated. It's like trying to plant a seed in dry, barren soil and expecting it to flourish. The seed, much like your wellness goals, needs the right conditions to grow and thrive. A supportive environment can be a game changer. It can provide the motivation you need to stick to your health and wellness regimes, even when the going gets tough. It's about creating an atmosphere that encourages positive habits and discourages negative ones. It's about surrounding yourself with positivity, resources, and people who inspire you to be the best version of yourself. Creating a supportive environment is not as difficult as it may seem. Stick around for some practical tips. Believe in the power of change because every little step counts towards the journey of a healthier you. The first step in creating a supportive environment is understanding your needs. Health and wellness are deeply personal journeys, and each of us has unique needs and goals. Some of us may strive for physical strength and endurance, while others seek mental clarity and emotional resilience. Recognizing these personal health and wellness goals is crucial. It's like setting the destination for a journey. Without knowing where you want to go, how can you plan the route? Different environments suit different goals. An environment that encourages physical activity might include a home gym or proximity to a park for outdoor exercise. On the other hand, an environment promoting mental wellness could involve a quiet, clutter-free space for meditation or creative outlets for stress relief. Understanding these needs is not a one-time task, but a continuous process as our goals evolve over time. Once you understand your needs, you can start to build an environment that supports them. With your needs in mind, the next step is to make a plan. Now this is where the real magic happens. Having a clear plan for your health and wellness is like having a treasure map to your best self. It's your roadmap, leading you through the sometimes foggy terrain of life, pointing out the best paths to take and pitfalls to avoid. Your plan should include practical strategies for creating a supportive environment. This might be setting up a home gym, meal prepping healthy foods for the week, or scheduling regular self-care activities. It could also mean setting boundaries around your time and energy, choosing to spend time with people who uplift you, or seeking professional support when needed. Remember, your plan doesn't have to be perfect. It's a living document, changing as your needs change. But the act of planning itself is a powerful tool. It gives you control and direction. A well-thought-out plan can make all the difference when it comes to maintaining your health and wellness goals. Once you have a plan, it's time to put it into action. Creating a supportive environment for your health and wellness goals isn't just about making plans, it's about implementing them. So, let's dive into some strategies that can help you put your plan into action and keep your wellness journey on track. Begin with decluttering your space. A clutter-free environment can do wonders for your mental wellness. It's not about having a picture-perfect home, but about creating a space that feels calm, serene, and conducive to your wellness goals. Start small, maybe with a single drawer or a corner of your room. As you continue to declutter, you'll find that the process itself can be therapeutic, and the end result is a space that supports your wellness journey. Next, focus on incorporating healthy habits into your daily routine. It could be as simple as starting your day with a glass of warm water, or committing to a 10-minute meditation session before bed. The key here is to make these habits a part of your routine until they become second nature. Remember, it's not about making drastic changes overnight, but about taking small, consistent steps towards your wellness goals. Don't forget the power of social support. Reach out to friends and family, share your goals with them, and invite them to be a part of your wellness journey. You'll find that having someone to share your triumphs and challenges with can make the journey a lot more enjoyable and less daunting. And who knows, your journey might inspire them to embark on their own wellness journey. Lastly, be patient with yourself. Change takes time, and there will be days when you falter. On those days, remind yourself of why you started this journey in the first place. Use that as your motivation to get back on track. Remember, the key to success is consistency. Stick to your plan and you'll see results. After all, it's your journey, your wellness, and ultimately your life. So keep going, keep growing, and enjoy every step of your wellness journey. Now that you've created your supportive environment, how do you maintain it? Well, maintaining this environment is as crucial as creating it. It's like tending a garden, where you've planted seeds of health and wellness goals. Firstly, regular check-ins are key. Make it a habit to assess your environment periodically. Is it still serving your wellness goals? If not, what adjustments can be made? Remember, your environment should evolve with your needs. Secondly, flexibility is your friend. Life is dynamic, and so are you. Don't hesitate to tweak your plan as needed. Maybe you've discovered a new wellness activity or your schedule has changed. It's all about adapting to keep your environment supportive. Lastly, don't forget to celebrate small victories. Each step forward, no matter how tiny, is progress. By acknowledging these moments, you reinforce your commitment to wellness. Maintaining your supportive environment is a continuous process, but it's well worth the effort. So keep nurturing your wellness garden and watch as your health and happiness bloom. Let's recap what we've learned about creating a supportive environment for health and wellness. First off, understanding your needs is crucial. It's the foundation of your wellness journey, allowing you to identify what you need to thrive and feel your best. Next, we discuss the importance of making a plan. This is your roadmap to success. Whether it's setting up a workout schedule, planning nutritious meals, or carving out time for self-care, having a clear plan propels you towards your goals. Then we moved on to implementing your plan. This is where the rubber meets the road, where you take action and make your plan a reality. It's all about consistency and determination. Lastly, we touched on maintaining your environment. This isn't a one-time deal. It requires regular check-ins and adjustments to ensure it continues to support your health and wellness goals. Remember, your environment can be a powerful tool in maintaining your health and wellness goals. You have the power to create and maintain it. So what are you waiting for?